Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to update your Apple ID email? No problem. Today I will show you how to change the email address associated with your Apple ID. Let's get started. First, you open the setting app on your iPhone. At the top of the setting menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID setting. Then you tap on Sign In and Security. Also type on Edit right beside email and phone number. Tap on Add Email or Phone Number, then choose Add an Email Address. Enter the new email address you want to use and tap Next. Apple will send a verification code to this email. Check your new email for the verification code. Enter this code on your iPhone to verify your new email. After adding and verifying your new email, you can now remove the old email if you no longer want to use it. Tap Edit again, next to Reachable At. Then tap the red minus icon next to your old email address and confirm the deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Apple ID email address. It's a great way to keep your account information up to date. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.